Another amazing morning. No any clouds today. Passing by Jukongs. Jukongs is something special in this place, in this area. It's like in the Philippines they also are using these boats with outriggers, but because of these colorful sails it looks so cool actually, and everyone trying to have some special sail, especially in the evenings when they're coming back from the fishing and this sail shining in the sun. So it looks amazing. People usually asking me, am I doing free diving? And I always say I do everything in diving, just free diving is something I'm not teaching. It's something, first of all, it's really hard to switch between the diving and free diving. In my opinion, you need at least 2 days in between to do it, because, or at least 1 day. So let's say you did a diving, then you take a break for 1 day, relax, and then you can start free diving. Like for example, you cannot do free diving after the diving, so that means you can do it only in a morning, and then you can do diving. And you can do it, and I've been doing it. I've been training free diving early mornings, going out on the reef and practicing, but then the rest of the day you are kind of tired and it doesn't come together. And the same thing is also teaching free diving. You cannot jump from one to another one just simply like doing that. I think you have like some basic courses, of course you can do, like some training in the pool, or for example shallow dives down to 10 meters. That's, you can do it in every moment, there's no problem. But if you really want to teach some serious courses, when the people start going a little bit deeper and when it's about more relaxation, then definitely forget about it. So that's why I decided that I'm doing in diving so many things. I do technical, I do recreational diving, sign mounts and other stuff, and I left free diving for myself. Whenever I have this willing to go and a little bit chill out on the reef without any tanks, in silence, and just focus on my relaxation, then I do free diving. And that's what we're gonna do today. I'm not going to teach anyone free diving. Inna asked me how is it to free dive, and I will share some tips from my personal experience, and we will go out on a reef. We will put a line down to some 4-5 meters, which is nothing. As you know from my previous videos, there's a beautiful reef with artificial constructions which they placed down 1995, and there's many fishes living there. And so we will just do simple, I would like to say it's a skin diving, it's not even a free diving. Definitely a little bit deeper than skin diving, but yeah. All right. Beautiful sunset today. Look at that. I think I'm pretty sure it will be amazing. Well, the sun is going down. I don't want to be really negative today, but it's like it's the feeling what I have today, because I saw the post in Facebook where one of our friends from the Philippines posted that she went back home and she felt that everybody's so depressed and nothing happens, and then everybody started commenting that, hey, yeah, you living in your Philippines and you don't know the reality. Just if you don't like something, go back to the Philippines. To live abroad, it's challenge by itself actually. You are here absolutely alone. I've been talking about this one in a previous episodes. You left all your friends, your family back home, and you are now living somewhere where you are absolute stranger. There is no one who can save from something, from mistakes. You are not at home, and that's why you're feeling absolutely alone. We have the absolutely same problems as you have back home. Living abroad has two sides as anywhere else in the world. We have the bright side and we have the dark side. We have the benefits and we have the disadvantages, and we just have to accept it. You know how many times I heard from people from my country that I'm a traitor? So because I left the country, and it really depends how you're taking all these things. You really take it really close without really analyzing, is it true or not, or it's just expression of some people, or you really start believing in it. And that's the thing, and that's why I'm not complaining. I understand it's hard times for you and it's hard times for us. Look back to all my episodes. Did I ever ask you for something? Did I ever complain? I understand that it's a really hard situation back home and also a hard situation here. I'm just telling the story. When I'm saying it's hard, then I'm always talking about the local people who doesn't have that education, who doesn't have this savings and other stuff and guarantees from the country. I'm not talking about myself. I just say, yeah, it's hard, but we always manage somehow to get through these things. Anyways, we leave it for them. Enjoy this beautiful sunset. We're going for the afternoon coffee with the diver you saw on my videos. And tomorrow we have a birthday. Mahide has a birthday, so we're going to Seminyak, I think. Yeah, it's Seminyak. So basically to the south of the island to celebrate it. And see you, Mahide, tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.